Here is a video tutorial for your trip from Tel Aviv Airport to the city of Tiberias. Once you pick up your luggage, head to the nearest door. You will go to level G. Inside the same airport, there is a money exchange store. Its call change will be to your left. You need at least 100 shekels for your trip after exchanging money on the other side of the airport. On the right side is the store to purchase the public transportation card that will be suitable for the train and the bus. It is called Public Transportation Information Center. Approach the window. We recommend that you charge your card with at least 60 shekels, then head for door 3. In English exit tree. Once outside, to your left, you will find the machine to purchase your train ticket. Use the machine only if you do not have a transportation card. Machine instructions. Press the English option on the screen, then the icon that mentions the word ticket. In Select Destination, select the letter H and choose the Central Hammerfrat option. The cost is 27 shekels. You can pay by credit card or in cash by entering the ticket. If you have a transportation card, forget the passage of the train machines. Once you have your ticket or transportation card, as in our case, go to the train station. Pass your ticket or card through the machines and lowers the escalators. Once below, to your right is platform 1. And to your left, platform 2. You must go to platform 2. On platform 2, check that the word is mentioned on the screen. Nahariya and arrival time. Very important. Make sure that the train arrival time is synchronized with your watch time. Not to get on the wrong train. Once the train is ready, at the time mentioned on the sign, get up and set up your bags in a place near you. We advise you not to be separated from them. The trip takes approximately 1.5 hours. Remember that your destination is at the Hammerfrat station, central in the city of Jaffa. The train has press Google Hammerfrat Central Station, so you can keep track of your trip, and you know where to go down with snow. Anyway, the train communicates constantly by audio and signs that have the door near them. Destination locations at each stop. When you arrive at Hammerfrat Central Station, head to the stairs. You will have normal stairs and electric needles. And behind the curtains, an elevator crosses the walkway. Put back your transportation card or ticket to leave. You will go to a mall or shopping center. Inside the mall, at the top there are signs, specifically one with 3 icons. The bus icon is in green. Follow the trajectory of the icon. A point will come that the icon arrow will point to the left. You will pass by a food court. You can take advantage of the meal if you wish to. Passing the food court are glass doors, crosses the catwalk. Then from the catwalk, go to the right. You will find another sign. This time the bus icon changes to orange. Continue straight. You can use the escalators or the elevator. Walk approximately 15 meters. In front of you will be the information office and purchase a bus ticket. Important if you have a transportation card. You do not have to go through the information office, the bus, in case you require a ticket. Because you do not have the card, come closer and mention that you want to go to Tiberias. In front of the station is the entrance to the bus station with an orange sign. Pass the control area. Once inside, go to door 2 that is in front of you. Make sure that line 430 or line 434. Walk out door 2. Since they take you to Tiberias, if there is a bus parked at door 2, as in our case, you can ask the driver if he is going to Tiberias. Once you confirm, leave your heavy luggage at the bottom of the bus. Get on the bus and leave your ticket or your transportation card in the machine next to the driver. The trip takes approximately 50 minutes. Your final destination is the last stop on that bus when you are at the Tiberias bus station. Don't forget to pick up your luggage. At the lower part, head to the station below the bleachers. There is no elevator, so it is the only way out. To your left, there is a McDonald's. Connect to the McDonald's Wi-Fi and write to us so we can pick you up. We hope that this video helped you to reach your destination.